Are you scared? You don't trust it? Come on, do something like dramatic, something.
Okay, if this falls down, you're driving me to the emergency room, okay? This is the latest thing that we learned. Are you impressed?
Come on, put something with pressure on it, something that would like really
No,
test the strength of the pole.
well, I'll be pushing my hold.
Do like a really like wide spin that.
Peony spin?
Can you go wider than that?
No. Not yet. That's all I know. What else do you want to see? Did I break my computer? Did I break my computer?
No. Are you okay?
Yeah. You're not putting that on.